Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tita Weng. Happy birthday to you. Yeah?
Say happy birthday, Tita Weng. What's your wish?
My wish for Tita Weng is she'll sana ang business niya sa organics mag-expand at saka doing well at saka tapos magkita na tayo, makauwi, tapos magkita na tayo, tapos marami siyang blessings and good health.
Tapos makareceive ako ng gift from Tita Weng this
Huh?
Christmas.
Ikaw, Bebe, what's your wish for Tita Weng? Say tita. Tita. Ah, sus. Bye.
Bye,
Happy
say
birthday,
bye.
Tita Weng.
Ha?
Ano pa din? Happy birthday, Weng. Sana makapadala ka ng Christmas gift dito. Bye.
Happy birthday, Weng.